To connect your Tapo C200 with the Wi-Fi network, first you will need to connect your camera to the power source and then download an app called Tapo. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. When the app is downloaded, open it, create your account or log in to already existing one. And now finally we can click on this plus button and add our device. Now in the search you will need to find C200. Select it from the list. And then make sure that the LED lamp on your camera is blinking red and green. When it does, then you can move to the next step. And also, if it doesn't, then you will need to perform a reset on the camera, and I've made a previous video on how to do it. It's called how to reset this specific model. So now when we've done it, then it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi network. You can do it manually by going to internet settings of your phone, or alternatively you might see a pop-up where it says to connect. So do it, and then you can choose a network to connect with your camera. Enter a password for it, and that is basically everything.